Hi there, my name is Tyler Wall with WTWH Media and Control Engineering. We are here live at Automate, and today I have Ken Crawford and John Spence. How you guys doing today?
Good, how are you doing?
Loving life.
Excellent. How's the show going for you guys so far?
It's been outstanding. The attendance here has just been phenomenal.
Yeah, it's very busy.
Yeah. So I just got a couple questions here for you, just about your booth and just generally what the show's about. So I guess starting off here, what inspired the concept to develop the UOS and provide users with a system that requires no advanced knowledge?
So anytime you start talking about IoT, things start to get really, really difficult. So what we really decided to do was bring IoT into the actual DNA of the PLCs in the ecosystem and make it part of the controller, part of the control system, and really make it easy to connect, easy for that data to go up into the cloud or in the pocket of your cell phone.
Excellent. And, open interoperability is a major focus for many of the companies. What are some of the protocols you work with a lot?
So for interoperability, there's like two levels, right? There's the level inside the PLC. So if you wanted an open ecosystem, you'd want to be able to install a software module or an application and have those two applications talk to each other. But it used to be that you'd do that through an SDK or an API. Today, you'd use OPC UA. So OPC UA is what we use to connect different like Influx database or any other kind of applications. And if you wanted to go from PLC to PLC or PLC to another type of HMI or whatever you want to share that data, you use OPC UA as well to connect. So that's really a ubiquitous kind of protocol that is used in IoT to make things really interoperable and interconnect quickly.
Excellent. And, the name of the game, especially with shows like this, is sustainability and efficiency, right? So, how is Weidmüller addressing this to achieve, a positive impact on sustainability and efficiency?
So we do multiple things. One of the things that we do is half of our locations are certified to ISO 14001 standard, and that makes sure that we're energy efficient. We include things like PV, so solar power, also geothermal power at these locations. And that's one of the areas that, as I said, we do that across more than half of our locations. We also just were awarded the EcoVadis Award, the gold medal in 2023 for those energy efficiency and sustainable techniques.
So, as a matter of fact, we talked about UOS being a DNA. I mean, sustainability is in the DNA of the company. Weidmüller is very, very dedicated to green and sustainable technologies all the way down to our manufacturing plants.
Excellent. That's always great to hear. As customers have been kind of walking through, have they given you any feedback on what the show is like so far, what some of the themes are?
Yeah, the themes, a lot of what I'm hearing is all around data connectivity, data analysis, and making data available to the user. So instead of just going up to the cloud and making it available to enterprise level software, they want it to be available to the user at their fingertips on how well their machine is performing.
Excellent.
So accessibility is a big part of it. So one of the questions we get is, are you open to other systems? Can you work and play with other companies' equipment? And in those cases, we're able to show solutions where we can do just that.
Excellent. One more question for you guys. What are some challenges in the industry that you've noticed, and how are you guys addressing them?
So there's a lot of challenges. Certainly, we're coming off of COVID with sustainability. So the ability to have products that work with other people's infrastructure, and that's really what we have with uRemote. uRemote, we have 11 different protocols that we talk to. We can interface to a lot of people's PLC. So in this age when you can't get the products that you need, or in an age in closed architectures where everyone's really using closed IP, we can interface even with closed IP with our uRemote. So in that sense, a lot of customers have come to Weidmüller and have noticed a big enhancement in their control system, platform connectivity and options.
Another challenge we hear about is just availability of products. So we have put strategies in place with inventory, with our production capacity. So we've invested in our factories. So we're able to have more product on the shelf to be able to fill the demand of our customers when they have a project, whether it's large or small.
Excellent. Well, gentlemen, thanks for talking to me.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
And for more great information just like this, make sure you check out Control Eng TV. We'll be covering the show for the rest of the week, as well as controleng.com. And until next time, my name is Tyler Wall, and this is Control Engineering.